Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2011 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT, chrome wheels, automatic, beautiful car, triple black, black on the outside, black on the inside, black top. The top goes into this little compartment right here, so I'll just show you. There's the top. When this is down, you have that full-size trunk that the top uses a bit of. This partition must be up and in place in order for the power top to work. Super clean looking car, really nice machine. You've got two onboard storage compartments, one in there and then one again over on this side. And trunk is in fabulous condition, super clean. At the back here, good looking car, dual exhaust, quattro-port exhaust at the back. And then you've got your chrome wheels, 5-spoke chromies with Dunlop tires on it, cross-drilled rotors, painted calipers, just a thing of beauty. Have a look on the inside. We have the luxury leather with perforated inserts, cross flags embroidered in the back of the seats to match the cross flags on the waterfall that you see there. It's got the multifunction adjustable power passenger seat, as well as the driver. Have a look in the door frame there, just a beautiful looking car. It has all the books with it. The key for the top is there, everything is with it. And have a look, there are the codes. You want to check the codes out. It's right there, so you can see everything that it's got. So nice loaded up car. And we'll close the door here. Beautiful mirror, nice open gills there. It's got the chrome wheels, which again are in fantastic condition, no issues, no worries. 5 spokes, painted rotors, painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors. Under the hood, LS3, 430 horsepower, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It flies along pretty good with a fiberglass body. It has been unmolested. There are no modifications whatsoever on the car. So let's have a look at the front. A couple little stone chips that happen as you're driving along the road. Nothing major, just normal stone chips. Nothing on the front. It looks fabulous there. There is no curb rash there. No curb rash on the wheels either, and this one is the other front wheel. 5-spoke chromie, nice painted rotors, painted calipers, and cross-drilled rotors. Over here, same thing. Nice Dunlop tires, lots of tread. You can see that there's lots of meat on that rubber. Nearly new. So over here you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, as well as the driver memory package, which adjusts the seat, the mirrors, the radio, etc. So all those features right there. Have a look here, another power seat with multifunctional adjustments, so it adjusts the side bolster as well as lumbar, as well as your regular other 8 ways. So awesome. So let's fire this one up. You've got your driver information center over here. You've got your heads-up display right there. So if we look through there, you can see the heads-up display. I'll just change the mode so that you can see. You can change it around to different modes, track or street. You can have different things displayed, different pages. So that's awesome right there. It's got 45,887 kilometers only. Factory navigation. With the factory nav, there's a disc that goes inside to run that, and the disc is included. It also has a DVD player. So we'll just close that again so you can see how that works. Down here is the automatic air conditioning, dual zone, and then your heated seats both sides. Automatic transmission, and put it in S right here to use the paddle shifters. These are the controls for the stereo, and over here are the controls for your cell phone when you hook it up. And down here is the gas door and power trunk. The other button that's right here is the power top button, so let's push that and watch the top go up. It's fully automatic, nice power top. Not only does it put the top up, but it closes the waterfall. There you go. That's closed, and then the top closes, just like so. The only thing that we have to do is turn this handle and we're done, and then we'll put the power windows up. Awesome. So there you have it. Working fabulously. Let's climb out, have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Good looking car. Nice looking machine in the triple black. That is beautiful. Small flaw right there in the paint. No big deal. If I didn't point it out, you'd never see it. There it is running. Got a great sound to it. Chugs right along. Nice exhaust sound. And there you have it. That is a 2011 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Z51 automatic with a power top, chrome wheels, navigation. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.